Hello everybody, so this is the demonstration phase of the mobile reactor remote control demo on a CM530 here. So the code has been downloaded, it's ready to run now. Get into init position, so forward key, my wouldn't work, here we go. Took some time for that Bluetooth there, got me. Forward, backward, left, right, left, forward. So 1 and up, 1 and down, 1 and left, 1 and right, the slew, 2 up, 2 down, let's see, here we go, 2 up, 2 down, there's no 2 left and right, so go to 3, that will be the wrist, 2 up, 2 down, okay, 5, so 5 would close by step, 6 opened all the time, all the way I mean, and then 5 every time you tap it, it closes the steps, 6 opens it.